That video was created by using Keynote, Procreate, and KineMaster. So today, I want to share you how I made this video. So let's go to the ground. So first, you just record yourself by using green screen with your camera around 20 clips. So it's just like this, and after that we make a background by using Procreate. So you just prepare around 6 or 7 wallpaper for your background, and one background you can transfer to Keynote style. And we're going to the Keynote apps, and we just click the pictures. So first you transfer the wallpaper, the background you made from Procreate, and you transfer to Keynote just like this, and click the pictures, and we just click like this and choose animate, and after that we just choose build out, and I choose crumble for the end of the video. And after you give the animation, we just click more and click export and choose movie, and after that you just choose the slide range, and I choose number 10 because it's slide number 10, and just click export. And the video or the clips for your for the ending of your video is ready, and save the video. And if your video, your wallpaper, and your animation is ready, and you can go into the KineMaster to edit your movie. So you just click the clips, and we check it, the video I was made. So the first, you should make a media just like this. Choose the media and choose photo and choose images. Then I choose black because it should be black. I did a black. It's for the background, for the base layer. So now we have a base layer with the black color, and after that you can add layer and choose your clips, just like click all or click video, and you just the video clips that you made by using your camera with a green screen. You just click that video, and after that you just choose this video, or just choose the clips and click the Chrome key and click enable, and now you choose the number to make it clear your green screen background. So and if you think it's okay, you just click done, and now your first video or your scene of your dance, of your movement is ready. You can go to the next layer. For the next layer, which is background, exactly the background you created with the Procreate. Just click photo and choose the background just like this. And because of its for background, you can click it and click more and send to back. So you can move the background just like this. So I have one wallpaper, and I will build the animation. I just click this video, and because of it's the first video or the first wallpaper for the background, I choose out animation and exit slide out and click done. And when we check it, so the video will be moved like this, the background moving with my hand at the same time. And for the second wallpaper, for the second background, I choose another background, and I give it animation like fade one, so it will be working with my movement. just like that. And when the other hands come, and I give a little bit black background, and after that back again with the background, with the wallpaper. And for the other hand, I just creating some video, and I crop the video just like this. So before this video, it's have a body and head, but for this video I cut it with a cropping, and I move the scene, I move the video or this, and I move to this. So you just create the video and you put and reposition this video, so make it the hands like a 6 hands, just like that. And also I have these pictures. So with these pictures, I also using animation. So for the enter one or build one, the in animation, I choose enter slide up, and I going to the 1.7 second to the transition. And for the out animation, I choose exit slide down, and also for the duration is 0.7 second. So it will be moving with my hand. And now I choose another background. So, and if you see, I have some like twisting video. It's like me with twisting, just only half body. I choose my twisting video. I choose chroma key also, so the green screen will be out. And after that, this video also using alpha opacity. So when for the first one, it will be 100 for the opacity. I choose to be around like a 46 or 47. So it's just like a shadow, but it is still, you can see it. Oh yeah. And for the next step, I also moving with this wallpaper. So for this wallpaper, because of in this choreography, I just like pull something. It's like a pulling something. So it's like a sliding door with the wallpaper. So for this wallpaper, I just choose the enter slide left for in animation. And for the out animation, I choose the exit slide right. So it's look like sliding door with hand. And the next step, now I have a one primary video here in the middle one, and the other one for the right side and left side. If you see, I have the shadow video, and I zoom in out the video, and I give a chroma key alpha opacity to be 47, so the video will be like shadow. And for the background, I choose PNG file. Also, I made them just 50 for the opacity. The number is not so clear, so it will be like a shadowing also. So it will be moving like this. And now we have another background, another photo. So this is photo I made it with Procreate also. And in animation, using enter slide left, and out animation will be exit slide down. So the video will be like this. Okay, and for the next animation, I using only PNG file like a circle motif, and I give an overall animation like ring one. So ring will be like ring, like a circle one. You just choosing from the overall animation, so they will be moving just like this, and they will give effect for this video like this. And for the next is just a background, and I duplicate my video to be 5 video. So this is the same video, but I duplicate to be 5 video. So they have their duration, their position, and it is also, I just change the background, no effect, just 2 video. I make the same video, but I duplicate and I move to the another side. So the first one is a left side, so I just mirroring to be right side. Now they just moving like this. It's also same. And for the last one, it's just one clip, but I cut to be, or I split to be 3 video. So the first one I move to the left side, and for the second split scene I move to the middle, and the last one to be right side. And the background, it's animation from Keynote style. So I show you, before they get chroma key, they just like this. So if you have a Keynote, you can check it. It's a crumble animation, but I make it chroma key and they lost the background. So the video will be like this. Okay, the most important thing is you should have your audio and check your video. Okay, the most important thing in this video is just when you are edit this video, or when you are want to create this video, you just thinking and about the movement and the effect. So when you are move, you should think about the fingers, about the hands, what kind of movement you needed, and what kind of the wallpaper you needed. So when you have a question, if you have a question when you watch this video, you can write down this a comment, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.